Divas, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Divas? So we're at the gym. The goal again is to work out twice a week at the gym to challenge myself. I'm going to start with abs. Yes, I'm going to start with abs and then proceed to my lower body, then upper body. If you don't like doing abs, like me, I really don't. I don't depend on my waist trainer, but I hate doing abs because everything else that I do, I engage my abs. But it's important to work your core because a strong core supports our body. When your core is strong, we prevent injuries, okay, and it helps us function better. But I still don't like abs. I hate doing abs, but this is what I like to do at the gym instead, okay? So if you hate doing planks, sit-ups, bicycle crunches, dead bug, dead leaf, red leg raises, let's do this instead, Divas, okay? But you need to be at the gym at least twice a week to do them. Easiest shit ever, okay? It's challenging and it does work. Let's go.